I better find your loving.
Hey guys, welcome. What's up? Not sure if this will be the intro, but today is Sunday, and actually today is the first day I'm starting the vlog. As I said, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the intro. Might not be, might be. But if you're new to the channel, please go ahead to like, share, and subscribe. Probably I should have checked in before going to church when my face was a little bit neater, a little bit nicer, and a little not so watermarked. But yes, I went to church today, and I'm still, guys, I feel so blessed. I feel so good. I feel so happy. I feel so restored. I feel so covered. I feel so forgived. I feel so, you know, I feel so uplifted. I feel so much great things over my spirit, over my feet. The message was so good today. I went to, listen now, when leaving home, I decided I was going to try another church, right? While leaving home, I still decide that I'm going to try another church. On my way out to where I should make the turn, whether I should go back to the church I went before, the New Testament, because I'm originally born and raised in New Testament church. When we to the intersection to go left for New Testament, right for the other church that I'm going to try out, a spirit just said to me, say, go to New Testament church, and if it does not work out today, go back and try New Testament. And if it does not work and you're not your spirit is just not comfortable with going to the New Testament church another time, next time, if it don't work out, we want to try the next church or we're gonna go. So I was, it's alright. I was there for a second or two. I said, am I going left? Am I going right? And as I said, the spirit just said, go New Testament church. I'm just go down there. And guys, I do not regret going to the New Testament church today. As I said before, I feel so blessed. I feel so restored. I feel so happy. I feel so covered. I feel like the blood of Jesus just take over my life. And I felt like I am healed. Like I feel like I am healed. Like I have this worry, I have this thing on my mind. The last vlog you guys watch, when I realized I was just giving you a few 1 and 2 tips. Now I'm not feeling well, and I went to do a test. I'm still waiting on the result because today is Sunday, so hopefully I get the result Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm still waiting on the result, and it's just that I'm going to the church, and the message just surrounded me. I'm not the only person who the message surrounded. Last time I went to church, I feel like the message surrounded me in not the way I wanted it to. But today I feel like the message surrounded me in a way of blessing, of healing, of forgiveness, of coverage, of long life, of happiness, of blessing. Right? And altar call. And I went, like, the whole service just had me going different, honestly. When the preacher lady came on, a different lady, was a visitor. When she came on, she started off with this song. This is the second time I'm going to church, and I think I'm going to church every single time. Which, that's the thing. I don't want to go to a church where people are looking at me or saying, who am I, where am I from, or the second time. I don't want that, right? Which I'm trying to build now my church appearance, so I don't look like as a stranger coming there, which it does not matter. All right. So she sing she started the song, we are go, I command you, Satan, in the name of the Lord, to drop your weapons and flee. For the Lord has given me authority to walk all over you. We are go walk over you, walk over you, walk all over you. We are go walk over you, walk over you, walk all over you. It whole church get up, everybody a vibe, everybody a walk. I just feel so I felt like I was at home. And then we are gonna jump stand up on you, jump stand up on you, jump stand up on you. We are gonna jump stand up on you, jump stand up on you, jump stand up on you. And then the part come in, she put in one part, say, we are gonna kick you like football, square. Kick you like football, square. Kick you like football, square. Kick you like football. Kick you like football. Kick you like football. If you find that the time when the lady enter, it's like the lady grabbed my attention. And then she went ahead and said, I'm going to preach today, and I'm not going to preach and just read the Bible. I'm going to explain for children and persons who are here who don't understand the Bible. And then she get me again. Listen, I told you last time I don't like going to church where when I'm at church I don't understand what's going on. I need to be understanding. I'm not somebody who understands the Bible, and if you're going to preach for everybody, you have to preach for those who want to hear the words of the Bible only, and for those who want the little explanation. And I'm one of the persons who want the explanation. All right, so yeah, so and when altar call did there, our message was so good. Altar call was there, and I was there, and she prayed, and she said, touch a part of your body. She said she feel like somebody's having a trouble in Easter somewhere. And she called a specific part that I'm so worried about right now. And she said, touch that part of your body. And people, she said, me touch it, and I said, God, are you here looking over me to show you? And I said, God, you know that I made the best decision coming to this church today. And she said, touch a part. And I said, me touch upon my whole upon the part of my body where it's just not in the best shape right now, which me not sure. I'm waiting on the test, but by the blood of Jesus everything will come through all right. And tears of start flow down my eye, and I say, look at God. And then say, God not real. People have said them a question about God, and I say, look upon God. She said something in the message, and I wrote it down in my phone when she was preaching. She said a lot of time we feel rejected, we feel unwanted, we feel not at peace when we're not included, we're not selected, and we're not invited. And I wrote it down in my phone, and it's something I'm going to keep and I'm going to remember. And I wrote it down just to come and share it, because I know I was going to come and share it with my YouTube family. Guys, it's not everything that you see going on and you're not included, you're not invited, and you're not selected, you should feel rejected about. Sometimes God is allowing you to have a feeling of rejection to protect you and keep you safe. And I'm running with that for today. That is my mindset for today, and that is what I'm leaving you all today, October the 15th, I think. Yes, not everything that you're not included, selected, or invited to, you need to have a feeling of rejection. Sometimes God is in charge and God is working to protect you, and everywhere and everything everybody feel in you for inner. All right, so I'm so sorry my makeup is so busted, and so look at here right here. I didn't have a rag, so I'm my blouse. I take my dress. I take the whole time. I dry up my little tears there, so it's full of makeup and whatever. But I don't care. I feel so blessed and I feel so amazing today. And I'm starting off the bonanza, as I told you guys, the week-long video, by just taking blessing on my life, reflecting on what God has been doing for me. He has blessed me with a car, he has blessed me with a job, he has blessed me with so many things in my life, and I am not giving up on the thought that God has me and he has my name written down on all great things, and that's the thought I'm leaving for you all today. So guys, whatever happens for today, whatever happens for the rest of the vlog, I'll catch you guys in that part. But until then, I'm gonna head in. Alright, so bye. Alright guys, so today is Monday, Era's Day, and I'm doing some cleaning at home. So this is the bathroom. Baby's gonna come and wash the shower, but this stand was over here, and this thing is supposed to be on it, the little back in there, should have on it. However, I don't know, because my apartment is cold, watch there, this thing, it just didn't, I didn't, what call it, it come like a sugar board, like, you know what I want, this look like a sugar board they use. Me just buy something, watch that. A paper they said this is literally sugar board. You buy some things, I bought this in Courts. You buy some things and they don't give you quality stuff. You hear me tell you? This is literally sugar board. See that? Sugar board. When I say sugar board. So, we have, today, I'm doing the bathroom. Cleaning the bathroom. But I feel like I'm overwork right now because my chest tight up on me and all sorts of stuff. But I see if I can complete this with the help of Odin while I do the laundry, the machine, I wash inside here because I move the whole place dirty. So all of that. So yeah, that's the vibe for today. Heroes Day. Wash my makeup, brush, then clean up. That should do that. Just the whole place one tidy up. So yeah, guys, you know what I saw? My mother, she cleans the floor with white vinegar. Do you do that? Do you do that? A must for kitchen and home. So today, when I was wiping the floors, I decided I'm going to add a baking soda, white vinegar, bleach, and some fabulosa to the water because I wanted to thoroughly clean the floor and the corners, actually where this was over that side. So I chose to use the white vinegar in the water today. But do you guys do that? Let me know. Let me know. Is that a good house tip to clean with white vinegar or what? I don't know. But I did it today. It's like I didn't really see much difference, but I'm expecting that whatever bacteria, whatever germs are in the corner, because this thing in my house is very cold. So it had the corner looking very bad. I got it to the best it can get to. I'm gonna apply white paint whenever I get back some white paint. But yeah, let me know. Do you know if you have a drain that's not smelling fresh or you just want to keep your drain fresh, what you can do is just throw a little baking soda down the drain like this. I keep it in a jar. Oh, that's too much. Oh shoot, that's too much, but oh well. All right, that's more than the norm, that big block. And then you throw the same vinegar I'm gonna ask about and throw it down here and look what will happen. Yep, and that release any odor, any scent, anything at all. Just keep it fresh. And you can do it as often as you guys please. Don't use the pipe for like at least a half an hour, like it sink in, or you know, just do its thing. So if you all know me, you guys know I'm fix every second, every minute. I'm not satisfied with nothing. Up till this point, I'm not satisfied with my bathroom decor from when we move in till I don't know, because I'm yet to buy the things that I really need, but I don't know. All right, so over here we had this shelf was over here, and I just move it come over here, and I just decorated it in a way. Yeah, this, I don't know what I want to do with this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, but that's the top. I need to change out these. I need to actually change out my whole, like get a new fresh set of towels, get new mats, because these are whole mats that I had from when, but the one that actually matches with the towels, the two set of them dirty, and I had these. I found these and they were kind of close, so I'm like okay. And the gray, yeah, I'm like okay. So I have this thing up the top up there. Why is it yellow? I don't know. Hold on. Then I have the towels and I have the shelf. And let's see guys, this is a charger plate. Where I had them for my wedding. I'm just look here. I don't have to use this in the bathroom. So I'm gonna go and just redecorate something with it. I don't know the little something that I bought from Tini. I don't know where I want to put it. I'm not satisfied. I had it up here on the shelf. I had it up here on the shelf, right here. But I don't know if I like it there. Like this whole shelf thing, may not reach the point of how I really want to decorate it either. Like, me not satisfied. So I just moved it, then I put the hand soap, because I always have a lot of hand soap, but I'm low now on them. So This is the last one. I just recently changed out. I think I put that one. Yes, I don't know. Like, Pinterest is my best friend, and I'm gonna utilize Pinterest for the Christmas to get this bathroom I really wanted to. And I have this sign that I bought in the dollar store a long time now, from when this basket I'm going to put clean wash cloths in it. But right now I have my makeup bag in there because them want clean, and I don't want to do too much. As me did, I said I don't feel 200, but yeah. You see under there, so it's not dirty. It's my place. It's sweat salad, and when you sweat, it discolor the wall. So the old color from the wall, it will show the sun, which me gonna paint it, fixed up soon. That does not mean my bathroom is dirty. But over here in the corner, over there with the toilet paper holder, I'm gonna get a mirror and put a standing mirror on the wall, or the long mirror. That's it. To put a shot you want to look on your body or something. You can do my makeup over there or something here. And over here I have the same toilet concept. Garbage bin down there. Have this is a cosmetic thing that I put my toothpaste and my something. I need to actually get an actual toothpaste holder and toothbrush holder, but that works for me right now. I bought this in Dollarama. Bath and Body Works soap. Right here we have clean white towels for anybody who wants to grab towel. We have this right here. I need to put a clean and towel over here, like cloths so you come and wash your hand and dry, which really actually is decoration, and then don't put your hand on it. And the mirror, and that's the reflection from the view of the mirror. So, and I have white curtains, and yeah, I can't wait for Christmas coming. Cause when Christmas coming, like, I feel a whole different vibe. Like, I'm just spraying all the Pinterest styles that I want to do for Christmas, and yeah, instead of mat them just use about these old mats. People are not peeping in the bathroom is a disinfectant. So yeah, this is what them old material forget the other mat them washed, but I want to roll with them for right now until other them wash. I think I want to do a full white or black and white for my bathroom for Christmas. So it's almost Christmas already. I can't believe money done time, but that's what's up. So yeah. So she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave. Oh. I would love to keep you here with me, you baby.